difficulty is when you're drafting the operating agreement, REITs have tons of detail.
Without a doubt, that can change the economics in a way that people may not readily see on the front end of the deal.
Now, Brian, what happens if there's a section that says that the capital partner can also make loans to the partnership? Is that something you should focus on?
So what a lot of people will do in real estate, and again, there's a long list of limitations and caveats, but they'll seek to maximize these benefits, and the regulations permit them. There's things that you cannot do, and you're stumbling upon one here. You can't have a deal where you get all the cash and don't pick up all the income.
Tax distribution errors. Now, we alluded to this earlier. I will say that it's in my top 10 list for sure of what to check and read carefully. This, not only read every word, but I would read it at least twice. I have this big tax liability. We were going to distribute those proceeds 60-60, but if the tax distribution kicks in first, it's going to divert and make sure I have enough. Now, 60 is probably enough for me to pay those taxes, but not if I live in California. It may not be.
You will see cases where that's not included, and when you come upon that, you ought to be suspicious. You ought to be thinking about what's going on. Why is it not in advance? Maybe it's okay, but often it's not. We all make mistakes, and when we make them, it's best to have the message delivered in the best way.